39.25. And do you have CA?
No.
Alright, have a good day.
Hey,
How's it going?
pretty good. Yourself?
Pretty good? So 41.88.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm ready when you are. And would you like a receipt?
Okay.
Alright, it's all good. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. 20.
Have you got shaving cream here?
Shaving cream?
In a can?
I can go check. If we do, it'll be back here. Thank you. And would you like a receipt?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day. Alright.
Receipt, please. And I'll put $30 of gas.
On
Regular on pump 5. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Sometimes it works, sometimes you
Yeah.
gotta swipe it. I don't know why.
Might be waking up.
Hey?
Might be waking up.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Receipt too, please.
Alright, there you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
Can I get 2 bags of ice?
2 bags of ice?
Yes, please.
I will take anything else.
Nope, that's everything.
So 918. Should be open, but I'll be out there for you.
Okay.
Ice cream? Is it open? It's open. Yeah.
It's open?
Alright, it's open.
Perfect.
Alright, it's all good.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day. Is it this one right here? 4020?
Yeah. Can you players smooth regular please?
And this one right here? Don't check anything else?
No, that's all, thanks.
So 6584.
It's okay.
It's all
Thank
good.
you.
Yeah, have a good day. Hello.
Good.
Good day, how are you?
Done, so?
Pretty good. 5271.
Yep.
And was there anything else?
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Was there a receipt?
No. I trust you.
Yeah. Alright.
I know you're not gonna take the gas back
Yeah.
out.
Alright.
Have a good one.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Looks like anything else?
No, that's it.
Alright, so I'm ready when you are. And I'll get your receipt.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. 71.
So long.
And would you like a receipt?
No, thanks.
It's all good. Have a good day. Would you like anything else?
Just those.
There you go. Yeah. Have a good day. Paying in the gas?
Yes, please.
Alright. So 5937. And would you like a receipt?
No, that's good. Thank you.
Yeah, it's all good.
Thank you.
Alright, have a good day. 15.
got my product.
Is it just regular?
Yes.
It's a truck.
Yes.
Where is it?
Is it the back or the front?
No, it is. And was there anything else?
What? I'll just check my tickets.
Alright. Oh, winner. Do you just want the money or do you
Winner, ganyo, ganador, tantam. No prize. Bookerloo. No prize. Bookerloo. No prize.
Give me a
Bookerloo.
649 and I'm carrying 49 will be on the board.
both of them, Corey?
Yes.
And was like anything else?
Good morning. 25.
And was like anything else? There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day. Thank you. $14.11. Yep. And ready when you are. Alright. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day. Hello.
Hello.
5204.
Pump number 5. Can you also check those, replay them all?
5804. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Yeah.
Yep. 6.
Ready when you are. Alright, there you go.
Thank you. You
Yeah.
have a good
Have a good day. Thank you so much. So you can see here, the offer discount, 76 cents off. So the total was 40.21.
We also get a
Yeah.
washer.
Deluxe, yeah. So 16.94. Yeah, and the code will be at the top.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. 8418. Alright. 1740 is your change. And there you go. Did you take a receipt? Yeah, have a good day. Hello.
Car wash, the ultimate.
Car wash ultimate. Yeah. So 1920.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day.
And I'll get
Win.
Is your change?
there.
Yeah. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thanks. Last time. So 212.39.
Oh, wait. Give him a $2.
So this 210.
Yeah, 2.
10. $220.
Thank you. Have a nice
Yeah,
day.
you're welcome. You too.
Hello.
Hello.
Could I get the full car wash, please?
Full
also?
car wash and
Yeah.
the gas as well?
And gas, yes. It's going to be on pump one.
Pump one, so total is 9013.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And that's also my number for
Yeah,
the...
your code will be at the top.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. Nice day today.
So far, so good.
Alright.
Have a good one.
Yeah, thank you. You too.
Okay, so I pay number 3 and I have this. And then also I have a CAA card.
CA, yeah.
I forgot that I got the gift card, but then
So I'll scan this.
can you use the gift card with it?
You should be able to. I think. Double check. So there you go. And this. Yeah. So
That's 25, right?
25. So you can just swipe. So there's $25 in it. Do you want to use it?
Yes.
So $2.65 remains.
And that's with the, okay.
Yeah, and you 53 cents you saved from your CA.
Oh, okay. I've been doing, oh. I have to pay with the card again, because I used the other one. So,
And do you want me to fill this out?
well, do I have to fill it out?
No, do you want me to throw it out?
Yes. Yeah, no, I already know.
Yeah, no money. There you go.
Oh, okay. Card. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Now I understand. So I can just keep this away and tell her that there's a card inside.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Bumper or whatever that is?
20 on pump 3?
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah.